Well, during the last video, I lost some parts to the 70-year-old frame counter mechanism. So if this happens to you, hopefully you got some collections of springs because you do that stuff. Oh yeah, that one looks like it's gonna work. And some RC parts you can steal a washer from. Let's go with brass. This is the collar orientation. We'll put in the spring. Oh, that's not it. So now we just put in the spring. Make sure to tuck that back. There we go. Oh. Alright, there we go. And with the shim, does a nice bottom out where you can't go any further. Well, there we go. Got the washer washing and the spring springing. Well, now that I fixed it with the replacement spring, we may as well check the vacuum. Some pubic hair, some zip tie, some green tape. Come on, spring. Why don't you just roll? There we go. Holy snap. Haha. I knowed it. I knowed it was in there. Sweet. Well, no washer, so I don't think it had one. Imagine with the correct spring, it doesn't need it. Shoot, now that I got the original spring, the question is, do I use it and restore it to its collectability?